This video is useful for the students who are pursuing poultry management as skill enhancement course. In this class, we are going to learn about emu farming. Learning objectives are we are going to learn about the facts about emu, that means which is the native land of emu, like that, and stages of emu farming, that means chick stage, grower stage, like that. Requirements for establishing emu farming and feed ingredients. Emu is an Australian bird. Its scientific name is Dromeus. This is a flightless bird, hence it belongs to Rattata. Products of emu farming are meat, egg, oil, skin. And emu fat is used as lubricant. That means this emu fat reduces friction in the machines when it is used as lubricant. Emu farming has been in practice, that means in vogue, for more than 2 decades in Western countries. This bird can be grown either in free range system or in intensive system. The lifespan of emu bird varies from 25 to 30 years. They grow up to 6 feet and may weigh up to 60 kgs. They lay 20 eggs per year and it will continue to lay eggs for 25 years. Body is thickly covered by feathers. Legs are long and stout and they contain 3 digits. These emu birds are fast runners, that means they are cursorial. Sex can be determined at the age of 6 months by observing different organs. They feed on leaves, insects, tubers, wet grass, and fruits. Coming to management, these emu birds can be reared in flocks, that means in groups or in pairs. The feed should contain 18% of fibers as ingredient. The sound made by male and female emu birds is called grunting and drumming respectively. 10 birds can be accommodated in 1 acre. A pair of birds requires 200 square feet of area. The farm may be provided with fence. They can be reared in small sheds or under the shade of trees. Feed and water should be made available. Normally, the digestive system of majority of the birds contain crop, whereas the digestive system of emu lacks crop, which is usually present in other birds, of course. And coming to the different stages of emu farming, it includes chick management at the initial stage. Emu birds of 0 to 8 weeks are called chicks. This stage requires scrupulous management, that is meticulous management. 4 square feet is required for the brooding of single chick. Brooder is provided with guard. Brooder temperature should be 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Brooder size should be gradually increased. Because the emu birds are provided with long legs, slip leg is a common problem in these birds. Hence, space available should be proportional to the age. Flocking of birds should be avoided at later stages, of course. As in the management of other birds, cleanliness of litter is a prerequisite. Normally, even in the poultry farm of any bird, litter should be maintained. The cleanliness and hygienic condition of the litter should be always maintained. Coming to grower management, these growers should be flocked according to the age group. Chicks and growers should be separated always. They should not be allowed to mix up with each other. Growers required 100 square feet area. Coming to feed ingredients, hatching period of eggs is 52 days, and after that means the chicks growers, that means the emu birds at different stages should be fed with stylograss, and carrot may also be added to the feed. Shell grit may also be added while laying eggs because calcium is required at that particular stage. They start laying eggs at 18 to 24 months. Paired birds require 2500 square feet area. Emu birds can eat 1 kg of feed daily individually. And coming to the ingredients, corn, soya beans, oil cake, sunflower cake, calcium powder, snails, minerals can be added along with methionine and coccidiostat. And of course, although emu is an Australian bird, emu farming was introduced in Andhra Pradesh with high expectations a few years back. But farmers met with some sort of disaster, economic disaster, because the meat processing industry, that means emu meat processing industry and the egg processing industry, they are not properly developed along with the farming. So due to lack of this processing industry development, emu farming was proved to be a disaster in Andhra Pradesh. So that is about emu farming and its maintenance and management. Thank you very much.